Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In the last videos, we have seen up to pattern number 55. In today's session, we are going to talk about pattern number 56. So pattern number 54 and 55 are similar type of pattern, but in the place of lowercase alphabets, we have taken uppercase. So pattern number 56 is the same like this. I want to print in the first row small a. In the second row, I want to print b and then b. In the third row, I want to print c values. In the fourth row, I want to print d. In the fifth row, I want to print e. Like this, we have to print, sir. Okay, this is nothing but our requirement. How to do that? Very simple. In the previous program, we have taken a value as 96, I mean x value as a 96. Then we have taken 96 plus j. So that what output we got? A, AB, ABC like this. But here I want a BB. That means what? Don't add the value of j. Try to add the value of I. Sir, now you can see what output we are getting. Sir, first row A. Second row B and then B. Third row C, C, C. Fourth row D, D, D. And fifth row E, E, E like this. Just we are adding the value of I because I indicates the value of row. Once if you add I value, automatically it is printing. This is nothing but how we can able to generate pattern number 56. I think you people got a clear clarity about this particular pattern, sir. Right? Thank you.